Hey everyone, this video today I'm going to go through a really quick intro to Clipchamp, which is Microsoft's video editing software. We used to have a video editor that would sit in Windows 10, really simple, light video editor. Now we've got Clipchamp, and now it's available for you to sign in using your school account. So if you go to Microsoft 365, if you hit the 9 squares in the top there, you're looking for Clipchamp here. You might not see it straight away, just go more apps and eventually you'll get to Clipchamp. So it'll open up in the browser. You can download the app. I have the app. It looks pretty similar to the way that you do it on the web browser, but Clipchamp and Stream are sort of combined together. So you'll see all of your videos in Stream, and you'll see all of the projects that you've been working on in Clipchamp as well here. All right. So this is sort of Stream stuff, uploading stuff, screen recording. I'm going to go to Video Project. So that starts a new video project in Clipchamp. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go through this really quickly. So let's import some media. So I can just drag and drop it on there. So I've got this picture of Great Wall of China I like there, and I've also got a video here of YE portfolios. Let's do that one there. Okay. So this video is 2 minutes 4 long. So let's add this to the timeline, or I can click and drag it in there, and let's add this video to the timeline as well. All right, so we've got 2 things there. Now, I might say, oh, look, I don't want all of this video here. I just want the first little intro, this first couple of seconds. So if I select that, go to my little scissors here, I can split those 2 bits of the video, click that second one and delete it. So now I've only got a 7-second video. I don't want this image to go for that long. I only want it to go for a couple of seconds. So you can see it's really easy to move stuff around on your timeline here. I can add text in there. What kind of text? Subtitle text. Let's put that in there. Okay, there we go. There's some text that I can put in there. So if I go back and play it, let's put some text here. Great Wall, and I can change, of course, the font, and I can change the size of the font. Okay, cool. Oh, I want that image a little bit bigger. So you can work with images here within the movie, you can see, or you can layer the images over the top. All right, we want that text to kind of fade in, so I'm sure that there's an effect for that as well. Oh, transitions, you could do something like that. So also, if you select the text, you can, if you want to, fade it in and fade it out. So there we go, that's looking a bit better, isn't it? Cool.
Does it ever feel like your whole life boils down to a number?
All right, so let's say we want to put a transition in between there. So we've got this little add animation button. I can choose from a bunch of different transitions here. So let's just go cross blur, that will do.
Does it ever feel like your whole life?
Yep, cool. And I can change the duration of that as well, so make it a bit longer. You can see that how much that transition affects those 2 different areas.
I feel like your whole life boils down to a number.
Okay, so I've got some audio going in this second one. I can increase the audio, I can detach it, which will give me a separate audio file. Decrease the audio for that. You know, I can layer different clips on top of each other. I can change the speed of this clip as well, so up to 16 times the speed, which will make it really quick, so it's going to sound really different.
What?
Gosh, person didn't even get to speak there. All right, let's make this 1.6 times bigger, faster.
Whole life boils down to a number. Test.
Right.
Score.
So if I don't want that person speaking during that clip, I can always go to audio here, turn the audio down, and then you're not going to hear any audio when that video shows. Cool, and you can layer in your own audio if you want to. Okay, so you can record your screen, your camera, your webcam, your screen, or text-to-speech as well. So you can incorporate your own audio that you've done on here. We've shown you the text. You've got music that you can put in here and layer the music and fade it in and out. You've got videos that you can use in there, stock videos, stock images that you can use. So you search, you can see there's just a bunch of images you can use in there. So if I just hit the plus, it'll add that image in. I might want to put that image so it goes over the top of that, and I just want it to go for a little bit of time. So let's put it up there. So yeah, and I might want, when I create that image, I want that smaller, I don't know, and in the corner or something like that, right? And I want it to fade in, and I want it to fade out. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, that was quick. There we go. Okay, you get the idea, okay? So this is a really, really simple video editor that you can use in your browser. Just drag in your media that you've got on your computer and you can start editing stuff. Great thing about this is that you can share it with other people. So I can type in somebody's name, or I can just copy a link, and then I'll be able to give it to other people to either view or to be able to edit the project with you, which is really cool. I haven't tried this yet, so I want to see what this looks like working together. I don't know if you can do it exactly at the same time. That would be cool. When you export your video, you give it a name. So test 3, save it in the cloud, which just uploads it to OneDrive really quickly, which is great. Choose your quality and export. And there we go. So my video then is exported. I can then share the link to that video so other people can see it. And there we go. That's it. Quickly editing photos, images, videos in Microsoft's new video editor, Clipchamp.